Porsche is manufactured by a German automobile manufacturing company founded in 1931. The company is owned by Volkswagen AG. Having strongly cemented its name on the walls of luxurious automobile companies, Porsche is one of the most luxurious sports car brands. The company is known for producing elegant and practical sports cars. An interesting feature of this car brand is its capacity to diversify, as we have witnessed the brand grow in years, branching into luxurious SUVs and sedans. A Porsche fuses power and luxury in a way that is so unique, it's no surprise why it's a dream car for all sports car lovers. The cars come with quite a pricey tag, but deliver on giving the most pleasing driving experience. In this video, we will look at the 7 most expensive Porsche. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Number 7. Track 2005 Porsche Carrera GT-R. First on our list is Track 2005 Porsche Carrera GT-R, which is long remembered as one of the best cars of the period. This street race car was produced from 2004 until 2007. The Porsche Carrera is a road-legal race car and features a manual clutch, carbon brakes, a carbon clutch, and an impressive V10 engine, which further endears it as a car made for racing. The 2005 Porsche Carrera GT-R is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.9 seconds. Isn't that mind-blowing? This luxurious car is capable of reaching a top speed of 330 km per hour. This impressive automobile has a whopping price tag of $1.35 million. Number 6. Porsche 918 Spyder Weissbach. As the name implies, the Porsche 918 Spyder Weissbach was manufactured at only 918 units. The Porsche 918 Spyder Weissbach is a hypercar and features one main V8 engine and an electric engine for each car axle. This hybrid car engine skyrockets the total power of the car to an outstanding 887 horsepower while accelerating from 0-100 km/h in as little as 2.6 seconds. The Spyder Weissbach has a lighter weight when compared to other standard Porsche cars because it has lighter wheels and less paint. The car has a price tag of $1.54 million. Number 5. 1996 Porsche 993 GT2. The 993 GT2 is one of the rarest Porsche cars available. The car features a light and equipped turbo engine. It adopts rear-wheel drive and was traditionally known to be one of the quickest and most expensive Porsche from the car brand. The car model witnessed several modifications from its previous counterparts. An example of such is the phasing out of the use of air-cooled engines. This rare piece of an automobile is sold at $1.63 million. Number 4. 2021 Porsche 935. Well known for its slant-nose body style, the Porsche 935 is a unique automobile. The car is based slightly on the designs and makings of the 991 GT2 RS. The car's tail lights are similar to the 919 prototype, and it has mirrors that are like those of the 911 RSR. With the 2021 Porsche 935, it can be said that the German automobile company produced a car with a unique blend of features from the most successful and standard Porsche car brands. The unique slant nose and long rear tail of the car are its most distinguishing features. The production unit for this outstanding car was limited to just 77 units, and the car has an estimated price tag of about $1.66 million. Number 3. 1993 Porsche 964 Turbo S Leichtbau. The 964 Turbo S Leichtbau is one of the most exclusive Porsche cars made with just a production unit of just 86. The car was the first lightweight turbo to be produced by the automobile company. The producer of the car was focused on ensuring that it was truly lightweight, so the soundproofing and undercoating amount were all limited. The Turbo S Leichtbau is about 396 pounds lighter than a traditional 964 Turbo. It supersedes other cars from the 964 make not just by lightness, but also with top features like highly modified engine horsepower. This luxurious Porsche model is sold at a whopping $2.1 million. Number 2. 1974 Porsche 911 1ROC RSR. From the iconic 911 models, the Porsche 911 1ROC RSR satisfies every expectation of race car lovers. This race car is one of the most exclusive cars model made by the company with just 15 production units. They have amazing traditional features like the steel front and rear RSR flared wheel arches, plexiglass windows, and an impressive 316 horsepower at 800 RPM. If you are lucky enough to get one of these rare models, then $2.2 million would have left your pocket. Number 1. 1981 Porsche 935 K4. The last most expensive Porsche on our list is Porsche 935 K4. This luxury Porsche model has amazing features like an engine with over 800 horsepower, a speed of 220 miles per hour, and a transaxle system. This stunning car is undoubtedly one of the most successful models of the Porsche brand. It has a price tag of $2.7 million. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do you think the features of these luxurious models are worth the hefty price tag? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.